I live in the outskirts of a small town, surrounded by nature on terrain of Ukraine. When I'm growing up, I love looking around different bugs. Their diversity attracted my attention. The nature of Western Ukraine is very diverse, like in the nature of a whole world, with an unlimited number of inhabitants, and combine a big part of this diversity, and be inspired to tell about some further of its development in this area. Arthropods or insects, which diversities numerous in the earth, are very different on their genera, classes and families. Insects are divided into many orders. The main is Hymenoptera bees, wasps, Isoptera termites, Autonauta dragonflies, damselfly, Coleoptera beetles, Lepidoptera butterflies, moth, Orthoptera grasshoppers, crickets, cicadas, Diptera flies. All of these orders have representatives groups in every district in the earth, showing us the diversity of our nature. The nature of Western Ukraine contains a huge number of specimens of these groups. Together with arachnids, they formed the entire chain of arthropods in our environment.